bought this door lock about like 2 weeks ago, and the original dead lock was on top, so we kind of have to replace that. And you can see this is what that looks like. So there's a couple ways to open it. One is the fingerprint. So let's see.
Operation failed.
Let's give it another try.
Unlocked.
Yep. So green means it's unlocked, so I can open it.
Locked.
Now it's locked, and so it's not opening. Another way is the keypad. Basically, I just type in a temporary code 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to press the pound.
Unlocked.
And you can see that it's opening. And I think you have to wait like 2 to 3 seconds. It will lock on itself. So this is it.
Unlocked. Locked.
Okay, so this is a review for the Sifely door lock. I purchased it uniquely for the feature of being able to open it with my fingerprint. You use...
Unlocked.
That's awesome, isn't it? You use an app to set it up.
Locked.
And you heard it say locked immediately a few seconds after. It was very, very easy to install. You put it in the area where your normal deadbolt lock would be. And normally the instructions say put your deadbolt lock on the bottom. I just didn't do that yet, but that's what the instructions say. So move your deadbolt lock from this top position to the bottom position, and then put this on top. It works very well. You can also set up other access codes for people that need to get in the house. Like if you use it for short-term rentals, you can change your codes remotely, and you can make them time codes. So if they're only staying for the weekend, you can make the code only active during the time that they're actually staying. Other than that, or after that, it immediately disables. And you can create another passcode for anybody else who needs to access your home, like maybe the property manager. That could be a permanent one. But yeah, this lock is really great. I love it. I don't have to worry about finding keys when I come home. As long as I have my finger, I can get in my house. So if you're thinking about getting it, you should.
Hi, we're here doing a review for the Sifely Smart Lock. It has several features we're going to show you that work out great. So we have the thumbprint that you can do.
Unlocked.
We have the code you can do.
Locked.
And you have to push pound.
Unauthorized passcode.
Well, anyways, that's how it works. We have the fob that you put near the 5 to wake it up.
Unlocked.
And then you have the key you can put in, which is magnetic to open. You put your tip of your thumb and put it on there. But this is the Sifely Smart Lock. We absolutely love it. The app is easy to work. You cannot do what you want to do from just anywhere without having the little hub or gateway, as they call it. So this is our review on the Sifely Smart Lock, and we absolutely think it's great. We're buying another one. Thanks.